Microsoft was founded by Bill Gates and Paul Allen on April 4, 1975. The company was created out of a shared vision between the two founders, who were childhood friends with a deep passion for computing. They saw the potential of personal computers at a time when they were still a novelty. Gates and Allen initially set up shop in Albuquerque, New Mexico, to be close to their first customer, Microinstrumentation and Telemetry Systems, MITS, which had developed the Altair 8800. Their first product was a version of the basic programming language for the Altair 8800, which they developed by adapting BASIC from a mainframe computer to the microcomputer. This product was pivotal because it demonstrated that software could be a viable product in its own right, independent of hardware. Their success with Altair BASIC helped them secure further business, enabling the fledgling company to grow. In 1979, Microsoft moved its headquarters to Bellevue, Washington, near Seattle. This move was strategic, as the Pacific Northwest was beginning to emerge as a hub for technology companies. This relocation allowed Microsoft to tap into a growing talent pool and better position itself for future growth. One of the most critical junctures in Microsoft's rise was their acquisition and development of MS-DOS. In 1980, IBM was looking to enter the personal computer market and sought an operating system for its forthcoming IBM PC. Microsoft secured a contract with IBM to provide an operating system, despite not having one at the time. They quickly purchased an existing operating system, QDOS, Quick and Dirty Operating System, from Seattle Computer Products, which they adapted and rebranded as MS-DOS. The significance of MS-DOS cannot be overstated. It became the foundation for Microsoft's dominance in the PC market. IBM's adoption of MS-DOS led other manufacturers to follow suit, establishing MS-DOS as the standard operating system for personal computers throughout the 1980s. While MS-DOS was immensely successful, it was command-line based and not very user-friendly. Recognizing the need for a more intuitive interface, Microsoft began developing Windows, a graphical operating environment. The first version, Windows 1.0, was released in 1985. It was not immediately successful, but Microsoft continued to refine the product. The breakthrough came with Windows 3.0 in 1990, which offered significant improvements in usability and performance. This version gained widespread acceptance, and by the release of Windows 3.1 in 1992, Windows had become a dominant force in the operating system market. The release of Windows 95 in 1995 was another milestone. It introduced a completely new user interface, with features like the Start menu and taskbar, and provided significant improvements in performance and ease of use. Windows 95 was a massive commercial success and solidified Microsoft's position as the leader in the operating system market. Microsoft's strategy of licensing MS-DOS and later Windows to computer manufacturers was pivotal. Instead of selling the software directly to consumers, Microsoft licensed it to OEMs, original equipment manufacturers, who pre-installed it on their hardware. This approach ensured that Microsoft's software was ubiquitous across a wide range of personal computers. This licensing strategy extended to their other software products as well, including Microsoft Office, which became the standard suite of productivity tools for businesses and individuals alike. Beyond operating systems and productivity software, Microsoft diversified into various other areas of technology. The company entered the gaming market with the release of the Xbox console in 2001. Despite initial skepticism, Xbox became a significant player in the gaming industry, particularly with the success of the Xbox 360 and Xbox Live, an online gaming service. Microsoft also expanded into enterprise solutions with products like Windows Server, SQL Server, and Microsoft Azure, its cloud computing platform. Azure, launched in 2010, has become one of the leading cloud services, competing directly with Amazon Web Services, AWS. The rise of the Internet in the 1990s posed both challenges and opportunities for Microsoft. The company entered the browser wars with Internet Explorer, which was bundled with Windows starting from Windows 95. This strategy led to a dominant market share, though it also resulted in antitrust litigation. Despite these challenges, Microsoft continued to invest in web services and online platforms. In the 2000s, they launched several initiatives, including MSN, Bing, and various online versions of their software products. Microsoft's aggressive business practices eventually led to legal challenges. In the late 1990s, the U.S. Department of Justice and several states filed antitrust lawsuits against Microsoft, accusing the company of maintaining a monopoly and engaging in anti-competitive practices, particularly with its bundling of Internet Explorer with Windows. The case culminated in a 2000 ruling that Microsoft had indeed violated antitrust laws. Initially, the court ordered that Microsoft be broken up into two separate units, one for operating systems and one for software products. However, this remedy was later overturned on appeal, and instead, Microsoft agreed to a settlement that imposed restrictions on its business practices. Bill Gates, as co-founder and longtime CEO, was the face of Microsoft for many years. His vision and strategic thinking were crucial in guiding the company through its early years and establishing it as a technology powerhouse. Gates transitioned to the role of chief software architect in 2000, focusing more on technology and innovation, and less on day-to-day management. Steve Ballmer, who succeeded Gates as CEO in 2000, led the company through a period of significant change. Under Ballmer's leadership, Microsoft expanded into new markets, including enterprise software and cloud computing, though the company also faced criticism for missing out on major trends such as mobile computing. In 2014, Satya Nadella became CEO, marking a new chapter for Microsoft. Nadella shifted the company's focus towards cloud computing and AI, emphasizing a more open and collaborative culture. Under his leadership, Microsoft has seen a resurgence, with significant growth in its cloud services, particularly Azure, and successful acquisitions such as LinkedIn and GitHub. Established in 1991, Microsoft Research has been a key component of the company's innovation strategy. The division focuses on advancing the state-of-the-art in computing and contributes to a wide range of Microsoft products. Research areas include artificial intelligence, machine learning, human-computer interaction, and quantum computing. In recent years, Microsoft has made significant strides in artificial intelligence and cloud computing. Azure, their cloud platform, offers a wide range of services, including AI and machine learning tools, that enable businesses to build and deploy sophisticated applications. Microsoft's AI initiatives, including the development of conversational agents like Cortana and advancements in natural language processing, have positioned the company as a leader in this space. Microsoft has made several high-profile acquisitions to strengthen its market position. In 2016, the company acquired LinkedIn, the professional networking site, for $26.2 billion. This acquisition allowed Microsoft to integrate LinkedIn's vast user base and data with its own products, creating new opportunities for business software and services. In 2018, Microsoft acquired GitHub, a leading platform for software development and collaboration, for $7.5 billion. This move underscored Microsoft's commitment to the developer community and its strategy to support open-source software. Microsoft has long been involved in philanthropic activities, often spearheaded by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. The company has also launched initiatives aimed at bridging the digital divide, promoting education, and supporting communities through technology. The rise of Microsoft is a story of vision, innovation, strategic decision-making, and resilience. From its humble beginnings in Albuquerque to its current status as a global technology leader, Microsoft has continually adapted to changing market dynamics and technological advancements. Under the leadership of Bill Gates, Steve Ballmer, and Satya Nadella, the company has navigated challenges, seized opportunities, and driven significant changes in the technology landscape. As Microsoft continues to evolve, its impact on the world of technology and beyond remains profound. This overview encapsulates the significant milestones and strategic moves that have defined Microsoft's rise. Each of these points can be elaborated further, but this should provide a comprehensive foundation for understanding how Microsoft became one of the most influential technology companies in the world.